channel once again, and today's video is going to be the last video of this year 2019, and that is nothing but the new year makeup look. And every new year I do makeup tutorials especially for new year, and those makeup tutorials will be mostly towards a colorful side or something over the top. But this time I'm going to keep it simple, keep it very much wearable, keep it very much neutral. This particular look, as you can see, will go with each and every kind of outfits of any color, because these tones are really neutral. As you can see, it looks very naturally flushed, really glamorous, guys. This look is not very complicated to do. It's very easy, even a beginner can do. If you do not have any eyeshadow palette, don't worry guys, you can find these colors, these kind of colors in your blushes or even highlighters. It's very easy to do and it's very wearable, guys. If you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. But before that, as usual, as I always say, if you're looking at this face for the first time, then why wait, guys? Please hit that subscribe button down below and support me, and also don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload one video every week, and if you haven't been following me on my social media platforms, please do follow me on my social media platforms, especially Instagram. The profile is over here, and if you are someone who likes to watch and create fun videos on TikTok, please follow me on my TikTok profile, which is over here. So without any further delay, let's get into the tutorial.
I'm starting with a clean face. I have moisturized my face using my Olay moisturizer, and here I'm using a primer from Nykaa. It's a silicone based primer, and it's very good for the long lasting base. The next product I'm going to use is a foundation. So for foundation, I'm going to use a MAC NC45, which is darker. I'm going to mix it with Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Golden Beige, along with a drop of Swiss Beauty highlighter in the shade Metal. I'm going to dot the foundation all over my face. This gives a beautiful coverage. You need a very little product, guys. And I'm going to blend the foundation with the brush, and in the final step, if you see, I would have been using the sponge from MINISO and taking the excess product away. I have already done my brows. If you want my brow tutorial, I can do it in a separate video. So for eye base, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Fast Base, which is lighter in shade. It's in the shade F9. As you can see, I'm blending it well on my eyelids and setting it with Rimmel Stay Matte powder. I'm in the shade Warm Honey. Next, let's start with the eye makeup. I'm using this palette from Makeup Revolution Pro, and I'm taking this shade called Progression, which is a nudie pink shade with a little bit of brown tones. As you can see, I'm using it as transition shade, and I'm going to take a darker brown, which is called as Here We Go. This kind of shades are easily available in your contour palette. So I'm going to use this cool tone brown and the outer V, and deepening it for that smoky effect. To further deepen this particular shade, I'm going to use the Maybelline Nudes palette brown shade, which is a little more darker and deeper. Next, on my lids, I'm going to use this shade called Volcano, which is a rose gold shade. I'm going to use it from the inner half of the lid. Next, I'm going to top it up with the shade called Element, which is metallic and beautiful. Next, I'm going to blend it well so that it doesn't show like a separate part. So next, I'm going to use a concealer, which is from Maybelline, and it's in the shade Honey. Once I cover my dark under eyes with this Maybelline concealer, I'm going to use a lighter concealer to highlight my high points. I'm going to use this mostly on the inner part of the face, as you can see, so that my face can be highlighted well. I'm going to set the highlighted parts with the same Rimmel powder compact. Using the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade 100, I'm going to highlight my inner corner and also my brow bone. I'm not going to use any kind of falsies here. Instead, I'm going to use this particular mascara from Faces Canada. This is a Magnetite Eyes mascara. Better fluttery effect. As you can see, the difference is massive. You do not need any false lashes. I'm not personally comfortable with false lashes, so I do skip my false lashes here. Next, I'm using Lakme Sunkissed bronzer. I'm going to bronze the usual parts of my face. So making sure that I'm contouring my nose for that sharp nose effect. I'm going to use this particular tint from Face Shop. It's in the shade Bella, Pink Bella, and I'm going to use this as my blush. Next, using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, I'm going to highlight my usual parts, high points, and make it blinding for this season. Final step is our lips. For lip, I'm going to use this Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liner in the shade Pillow Fight. It's a nude lip liner. I'm going to fill my lips with this first for that beautiful base. To use this Smashbox liquid lipstick, it's in the shade Driver's Seat. This particular lipstick is a mini version which I purchased from their collaboration with Malvika Sitlani.
You guys have liked this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button down below, and also feel free to share this video to your family and friends. So see you all in the year 2020 on my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.